Alrighty, folks. Well, we are about to pick the winner for our 400 subscriber giveaway. And again, the winner will win an 1864 Indian head penny, metal detecting with Randy sticker, PD Sand Digger sticker, treasure hunting with Swifty sticker, Mayor Video sticker, Ohio River history sticker, and Whistle Pig digging sticker as well. And maybe I'll throw in another little surprise in there. Just to go along with the pack. So let's spin that wheel and see who our big winner is. Yay! And 767. All right. 767 is our number. We're going to go over to YouTube and see who our winner is. Alrighty, so we're going to scroll through here and see who is the closest without going over. And the number is 767. The closest without going over, it looks like, is where is it? Oh, there it is. I Spy a Dandy Flat Button is the title. I have 2 dandies, and that's what I hope for when I hunt. And the number is 640. That is the closest without going over. And the winner is the other side of the boat. Congratulations, Jerry. Thank you for being a subscriber and following me around as I go on my crazy hunts and this, that, and the other. So send me your address and I'll get this prize pack in the mail to you. And thank you to everyone who played along with my crazy little game. All right, we'll see you on the next good video. Peace out.